Hello students, I am Pushprata Miss. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home and stay safe. Today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 9, producing food. We all need food to live. We eat variety of food every day. Have you ever thought where this food is grown? Food is grown in the fields. Who will grow the food? Farmers grow food for us. Let us know about the process of growing a crop. First one, preparation of soil. In that, ploughing. The process begins with ploughing. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called ploughing. This is done by a wooden or an iron plough. Animals are used to pull the ploughs in smaller fields. Ploughing in bigger fields is done by tractors. You can see the picture. Next, what is the advantages of ploughing? It loosens and aerates the soil so that the roots are able to penetrate deeper and breathe. Means it loosens the soil and it helps make the air go into the soil properly so that the roots are able to penetrate, means go into deeper and breathe. Second, it helps in the growth of microorganisms and worms in the soil and maintains the fertility of the soil, means maintains the quality of the soil. Second is leveling. After ploughing, the soil is leveled with the help of a leveler and furrows are made in the soil. Furrows means long narrow channels. Okay. Then advantages of leveling. It crushes bigger pieces of dry soil into smaller pieces, means it makes bigger pieces into smaller pieces. Second, it helps distributing water uniformly, means equally. Next, it presses the loosened topsoil and prevents soil erosion. Next is sowing of seeds. After prepare the soil, then we will sow the seeds. Then sowing of seeds. After the soil is prepared, the seeds are put in the furrows, means long narrow channels. This is called sowing of seeds. The seeds sown must be healthy and of good quality. Seeds should be good quality. There are two methods of sowing seeds. That is, first one, by hand. In this method, the farmer throws the seed in various ways in the soil. But the disadvantages of these methods are, first one, seeds fall in clusters at just one place. Means by hand we will sow a seeds by hand, then it leads disadvantages for us. Seeds fall in clusters, means seeds fall in a group. Okay. Then second, seeds do not reach into the right depth and the birds can pick them up. Means seeds do not reach deep into the soil, so the birds can pick the grains or seeds easily. Next, with a seed drill. A seed drill has a funnel-shaped opening. These tubes are attached to the plough. Seeds are put into the funnel. As the plough makes furrows in the soil, the seeds are deposited at the right distance and the right depth in the soil by the drill. This method is better than sowing seeds by hand, as the seeds are scattered over the entire field and at the right depth. That one also you can see the picture. Next, transplantation. The seeds of certain crops are not sown directly in the field. Instead of that, they are first sown in nurseries in some other place. Later, the seedlings are transferred to the field. This is known as transplantation. Means seedlings means small plants. Plants like rice, chilies and tomatoes are grown by the transplantation method. Okay student. Next, after sowing the seeds, we should add some manure and fertilizers to the crop to grow well and good quality. Okay. Plants use the nutrients present in the soil for their growth. So the soil becomes poor in nutrients. For that, farmers add manure and fertilizer to make the soil rich in minerals. Okay. Manure is made from dung of farm animals. Fertilizers are human-made chemical compounds. They are rich in minerals. Okay students. Next is irrigation. Water is the most important for the crop. So we started irrigation. Irrigation means different methods of water supply for the crop. In that, first one is furrow irrigation. In furrow irrigation, the fields are made into a number of ridges and furrows. Crops are raised in the ridges and irrigation is carried out in the furrows, means in long narrow channels. Second one is flood irrigation. In flood irrigation, water from a canal is allowed to flow into the fields. This water slowly spreads over the fields depending upon the slope of the land. This method is used only in places where a lot of water is available. Next, sprinkler irrigation. In sprinkler irrigation, water is sprayed on standing crops in the form of artificial rain. This method is used where flood irrigation or furrow irrigation is not possible. It is one of the modern methods of irrigation. For sprinkler irrigation needs less water. Okay. Then fifth, weeding. Many unwanted plants grow along with the main crop. These unwanted plants are known as weeds. They compete with the main crop for water, nutrients and sunlight and retard the growth of the main crop. Means they absorb water, nutrients and sunlight which is necessary for the main crops and weakens the growth of the main crop. So weeds must be removed. The process of removing weeds is called weeding. Weeds can be removed by hand or using tools like trowels and harrows. Nowadays, farmers use chemicals called weedicides to destroy weeds. Okay, students. Then, how we should protect our crop? Crop protection. Plants can be protected from pests by spraying pesticides and insecticides to kill pests and insects. Then putting up scarecrows to scare away the birds. Next, plants can be protected from diseases by mixing seeds in fungicides and antibiotics before they are sown. Spraying fungicides and antibiotics on the standing crop. Okay students, thank you for listening. I hope you all understood the process of growing a crop. Let us continue the remaining topics in the next video. Thank you.